Hello, good day, good morning. Today is 28th of February 2021. Another stock analysis from the Tesla Incorporated of Elon Musk. So far the last price was on the 26th of 2020, 26, which is low is 659 and the highest is 700. So far it pulled back. It hit the support on the 622. Yes, let's map that up. 622, and it bounced and go back to 675. That's the current price right now. So it bounced back on the 744. So for the on Monday, wait, okay, it's only day. Okay, so we only have day daily time frame. So far, mm, this is a bearish bias or short bias. You can high probability of shorting this one. Yeah, for a short term, because Tesla has, for me it's a valuable stock on the global markets. You see how the innovation and the companies revolves around Tesla, SpaceX, Hyperloop, Boring company, and whatnot, and everything has a value. So I'm still bullish on Tesla, but on this, based on this analysis on this daily time frame, and what's the price today? 675. So it seems we have a pattern here. And what's that pattern? It's a shoulder. Yeah, shoulder. Triple shoulder. And it goes down. Yeah. And what's the next pattern? It's the H. So once it goes down, it goes. If we check the Fibonacci, yes. So yeah, the psychological is the 640 price. So the next high probability of going short bias for this is, yes, that's big. If we check short position on here and put it on the 0.1, yeah, 618, the 577 area, and put our stop loss on the previous resistance, we get 1.35 risk ratio and a 14% going down. That's a big, nice risk ratio, and hopefully we can get and take profits from this, because this is a pattern H, and once it hit that, it may be a psychological support. It will bounce back and go upwards, but it's still not yet confirmed. So you need to confirm before you trade. So this one, for me, it confirmed from the previous resistance on the 700. Yeah, 740 leverage price. So it goes down. So if you short this for a short term only, not a long term, because that would be catastrophic. You need a plan like this. You have stop loss and target. Target is the 577, so that's a risk ratio 135. Not bad for you risk 10% for a 14% target. And so far it's almost surpassed on the RSI going downward, and the MACD is, yeah, it surpassed the it's on the negative level now, and still there's no sign of cross. So 80-20 probability. So if we pick this is a bearish scenario, high probability of bearish sign is 80%. So there's still a probability of going upside 20%, and let's find that and make a trading plan on out of it. So if it goes hit 16, or worst case scenario is 786, the 500 area. Let's say it psychological support would be 500 area, and that would be our key level of support. And we do this is a bullish scenario, the 20%. If we put that Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high on the 900 area to the 500, we can see our first target would be 600. Yeah, just as small trade, not, don't be too greedy. Yeah, that's right. You'll just put your stop loss below here, the gap. So I think that there's a gap, so there's a high probability. But this very bullish scenario is just a short term. Once it hit a psychological support, it bounds to go up for a short period of time, and you can make most of that. So I think the first would be the 600. Yeah, 19-20%, not bad, from the risk of 14%, 0.77. But the risk reward ratio is not so good. It's almost a 50-50. So always make a trading plan if your suits your risk tolerance, because everyone has different types of risk tolerance in every trade. If you are high risk person, trading high risk ratio like this, so that's okay. It's up to you. I'm not your financial advisor. I just want to share to you my trading plan on the Tesla stock. So far that's it. Once it bounced back, if we make a drawing, yeah, this is a head and shoulder, and H. Once it H, there's a psychological support. It may consolidation for a few days or weeks, and once it breaks again the key resistance on the 750, once it hits back, I'm going to be bullish, and I think I'll buy a position on the global markets once it hit back again on 750 and it goes back to 900. That's my own analysis. That's my plan. So it depends on what you want. If you you need to research first before entering any or investing in a stock. Then so far, this for educational purposes, so you'll know how the price market goes, price action. Then the volume is still not so high on on the December. It's so high. You see that the big green volume candle. Now we see just a little green and too little, so it's bounced to like this. It's bound to go down. That's the high prob 80-20. But still, there's a still wild scenario. If it goes back here and has a buy volume and and it it shut up the volume here, that's the big confirmation on a bull. Yeah, but that's another time. Let's go back, or if you want to, I think that's it. If you want to know more, hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so we can discuss again on the next plan on the Tesla stock analysis. And I think we'll see exciting daily volume or but the markets are still, it's still down mostly, yeah, on the global markets. And there's news which we cannot control. When there's news, it's really hard to trade because you may get caught up on the news and you buy on that day before the news. When it's the news got out published, oh, it's gonna big impact on the price on any stock. For example, this Tesla. Any news in Tesla affected the price every time. News, negative or positive. So I think that's it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, so it will help the YouTube algorithm to see more of this video. Just notification bell, hit the notification bell, and see you on the next video, guys. This is Zelan here, ZELHANTV, signing off my Zelhan analysis. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.